Hey guys, it's Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profit Academy YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be attempting to buy the euro dollar, and the reason being, even though we're on a sell trend, is because I know for a fact that we're going to have some sort of retracement, a bullish retracement or pullback, and I'm simply and this is a method 2 trade. Yeah, this is a method 2 trade, by the way, where I simply follow the market to a price where I know the banks are going to be taking the markets to. And today's lesson is confidence, and that is why I'm going to be taking another position. And you guys will be thinking that this is ridiculous. Bear in mind that I'm also trading without a stop loss. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and modify the order take profit. There we go. Boom. 6:22 a.m. Woke up and I am in profit. Actually, I have already left the market with profits. There we go. Over to, close to $4,000 worth of profits to kick off my day. Like I said, today's lesson is confidence. And confidence comes from a repetition of success. And that is why I get into these trades with no stop loss, because I am fully aware of my trading environment, the strengths and weaknesses of every single currency pair or pairs that I trade. And that is why I do not pay any attention. Excuse me, I'm drinking a glass of water. And that is why I do not pay any attention to these mentors and their ridiculous ideologies and whatever of trading psychology this, trading psychology that. You have to be confident. You cannot be a confident trader when you keep losing. And I'll tell you this, 90% of traders fail. If you want to be consistent, you have to think outside the box. If the things that you think are logical are not working, think outside the box. Why did I get into this trade? The euro dollar is in a sell trend. We might witness some sort of bullish pressure, but we are still in the sell trend. But I am scalping. I am not trying to take out 80 pips, trying to take out 100 pips. I am scalping for a few pips. And that is exactly what I think this was an 18 pips trade. And I effortlessly left the market with profits. This is something you can do. These are profits you can make. I am not the smartest person in the room. I am not Einstein. Everything I am doing is coming from a superior level of understanding. The way I look at the market might be very diverse, might be very different from your typical mentors. But you need to be open-minded to get to the next level as far as trading goes. If support and resistance is not making you money, if all this, I really don't pay attention to what most of your mentors teach, but if those things are not working, you need to think outside the box. So if you want to learn how I trade or you have any questions, you can send me a message. A link to my free Telegram group will be in the description. Like I said in previous videos, this is summer. I am out there having a nice time. I do not take a lot of trades, and that is why the uploads have not been consistent. I like the fact that the views are increasing. They are really increasing actually. At least I'm getting close to 100 views consistently now. And like I said, 90% of traders fail. I'm not expecting 1 million views on this channel because I am not teaching support and resistance, but I am showing you myself getting in and out of trades and leaving the market with profits. The cars and the flashy things that you guys like seeing are things I have accomplished in the past and are not some sort of achievement to me, and that's why I do not put it out there. Life is good. Life is good. You need to trade to a point where you are confident about yourself and how you trade. Trading psychology will not work if you keep failing. I am telling you the truth, and I'm telling you from experience. I have blown accounts, I have lost money, but now I am consistent because of my keen level of observation and keen level of understanding. And that is what I show my students. So if you want to learn how I trade, visit the website. If you want to get access to my signals, visit the website. If you want to make some sort of residual income without doing anything, maybe you're busy out there with work or just trying to make the world a better place, and you do not have enough time to catch up with the signals and do some analysis yourself, yeah, you can copy my trades and leave the market with profits. Send a message if you want to see my FX book, my verified results. Yeah, Clinton signing out. Quick profits, 19 pips or 18 pips, left the market with profits. Life is good. Life is good. Signing out. Like, share, and subscribe. And hey guys, trade safely.